So you guys, I'm back again with another video. Today, you guys, I'm going to be eating stir fry with chicken, shrimp, broccoli, noodles, and the cream sauce, I don't know, and mushrooms. So, let's get into it. I picked them broccoli out and like broccoli. So, came to my conference. He'll be speaking at our conference in Iowa Valley in December. And I have an enormous amount of respect for General Kelly. And I said to Anderson Cooper a few months back, history's going to treat him very kindly because he was really trying to tamp down this cauldron of insanity that's going on inside the White House right now. Yeah, well, I didn't mean you personally. Yeah. Not everyone always throw in that joke at my own expense. No, not everyone always agreed with what he did. Appears to be the adult. Let me tell you something. My daddy makes the best pasta, period. Take a bite. Speaking of Austin Powers, the fact that there is a counterintelligence investigation into this, I mean, that's got to concern the president, don't you think? Yeah, I think that's a combination of factors. I'm just trying the chicken and shrimp, and I tried the broccoli or this inside of it. This is mushroom also. I think that's another element. You know, I've known the mayor for 30 years, so I pray for that guy every day. I hope he's out to his family, and I would like to think that given his crime-fighting nature, who he has been as a human being, I just pray for him. It's like so good. Areas has happened there, but the facts on the ground as they read right now, they're not flattering to the mayor. So I hope he has good counsel, and I hope whatever his side of the story is, I hope he can get that out there as quickly as possible. Quickly before you go, do you think, and I mean it's some overtime, do you think the president is underestimating Nancy Pelosi and trolling this? Oh, totally. I mean, Alexander Pelosi, she can cut your neck off without you feeling it. Okay, and I'm watching her in action. She's currently my favorite Italian, so she makes